Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to share another brand new absolutely free airdrop with you. The name of this project is Brevis. What is Brevis building? They are building a data attestation platform using HashKey technology. This platform will enable dApps to access full historical on-chain data across multiple blockchains. Now the main question is, how can you participate in this campaign? Basically, you can earn Spark points as airdrop rewards. As for the funding, they already raised 7.5 million and their status is confirmed. If you look at their investors, you'll see big names like Polychain Capital, Brevis Labs, which means Binance, HashKey Capital, and more. If you visit their X profile, you'll notice they have 163k followers right now and they share lots of updates there. Before joining, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it now. Now the main question, are rewards confirmed? They've clearly mentioned that in their future token airdrop, you can qualify based on the number of Spark points you earn. The more Spark points you earn, the larger your share will be. Currently, their phase 1 is live, which started on October 13 and will end on November 12. Then phase 2 will go live on November 3, right after phase 1 ends. How to join this project? I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find the page link. After landing there, first you'll see the wallet connect option. Click there and connect your wallet. I chose MetaMask, then connected it and confirmed it. Then you'll see two tasks to get started. The first one is to follow their X account. Click on follow, then connect your X account. Authorize the app, wait for confirmation, and it's done. Next, you need to join their Discord. Click on join, click on connect Discord account, then authorize, then again click on join Discord server, accept the invite, click complete, agree to the terms and click on submit. Then you need to verify, and the verification method is a bit tricky. Click on verify, then scroll down and click here, click visit site. You'll land on this website. Click login to verify, then authorize again. After that, click verify again. Hold for a few seconds. And then you'll see it's verified. Then go back to Discord and try to stay active and do some activities to get rolls. Now go back to the airdrop page. Click again on join Discord server. Accept the invite. And you're done. Here you can use my referral code. I'll provide it in description. For that you'll get 50 points. Click on next, then click on check missions. Here you'll find the referral option where you can invite friends and earn 200 points. You can copy the code or link and share it. You'll also find lots of social tasks that you need to complete. All tasks are very easy. You can also check in daily to earn points every day. Just click on the check-in button and you'll get 10 Spark points each day. Here you'll see the daily streak option. If you check in for 7 consecutive days, you'll earn 50 points. For 14 days, you'll get 100 points, and for 30 days, you'll earn 200 points. Other tasks include liking, quoting, reposting, and commenting on their social media posts. For example, you need to like, repost, and quote tweet with a comment. Click on like and quote and do that. Like the post, comment anything you want. Repost it. Click on repost and select quote, write something, tag 3 of your friends and post it. Once done, you'll receive 100 spark points for completing that task. Points take about 15 minutes to update. Similarly, complete all these tasks one by one. They've mentioned that if you like and quote at least 5, 10 or 20 Brevis X posts, you'll receive 100, 200 or 500 spark points respectively. Again, points may take 15 minutes to reflect. Their phase 2 will arrive soon on November 3 and I'll provide another update video then. So basically that's all for now. It's a very simple campaign and you can easily complete it. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.